Hello and welcome back to Full Scholarships, the number one scholarship portal on Instagram and YouTube. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please press the subscribe button. Also, if you are not followed our Instagram page, please click the follow button. As we post daily opportunities, and you can check all the opportunities are in our social media page, Instagram and YouTube. Every scholarship has its own video on showing how to apply so that you can save time and apply directly, and every step-by-step process is covered in this. For today we will be discussing New Zealand scholarships that do not require IELTS and TOEFL, and these are for session 2021-2022. You can start from any of the sessions, so we will discuss about that. But before that, if you have not subscribed, please press the subscribe button. Also press the thumbs up button. To get to this scholarship link, you can check link in our video description below, and there is a messages option also. You can message us and ask us doubts if you have any. Also, you can comment down below if you miss any step. So if you are not understanding any step, you can message us and we will clear the doubts. Also, please do not skip any part of this video, otherwise you won't understand fully the process. So watch full video and give a thumbs up so that we'll get encouraged to do more. Now, beginning New Zealand scholarship IELTS without IELTS and TOEFL examinations. You can read the details here on our website, and here you can check that the location is New Zealand and it's preferred by international students. The courses are bachelor's, master's and PhD, and the financial coverage is fully funded. You can check the top 5 universities that are participating in without IELTS admissions and scholarships are University of Auckland. It is 179th in the world. Otago, Canterbury and Lincoln and UNTEC. These are the top universities in the world, and they are participating in the non-IELTS scholarship and acceptances. So for alternative to IELTS, you must provide that you have studied from class 8, class 12, means you're from middle school to higher secondary level. You must have an English medium, so it's like you have studied in the English language. So similarly, for if you are applying for master's, so your bachelor's must be having in English language, and it's on, I think, in every university in the world that the bachelor's courses are almost provided in the English language, whichever are mentioned here, except a few courses, Arabics and linguistics, that are not part of this. So you must have at least 5 years of education in English starting previous years. So you have to get the English language certificate from your previous institute stating that the student has studied the courses in English language. So here you can check list of scholarships in New Zealand. The first is University of Waikato International Excellence Scholarship. We have previously made its video on this, but we will show you again. And similarly, the second is Tongewara Scholarship, Victoria University Wellington. Third is this is third. So there is serial number mistakes, no worries. And fourth is Lincoln University Masters Merit Scholarship, and here are few trust scholarships: Canterbury Kemka Trust, Commonwealth, Helen Macmillan, UC College, and similarly you can check others. So to begin with the scholarship process, let's fill 1 or 2 applications so that you can understand the scholarship process. But before that, if you are not follower on Instagram page, please click the follow button. Here you can check scholarship link from our bio. Also, you can message us on Instagram and ask the link, or you can watch our stories on Instagram and you can get the link. Also, the link is in the video description. So getting back to our scholarship page, you can check the University of Waikato International Excellence Scholarship. Here you can check visit more, visit here. Simply click on that, visit here, and this University of Waikato official page will appear in front of you. Here you can check University of Waikato International Excellence Scholarship. and it's showing green accepting applications, and applications for 2021 can be submitted at any time. So there is no deadline in a particular date, so you can apply anytime. So you can check eligibility and next steps. On the right side you can check apply now red button. Simply click on that apply now button. Now you can check the registration and sign in page has appeared. If you have previously made this sign up, so you can use the same username and password as we have previously made, so we will just log in and show you the next steps. After logging in you can check apply now to study and apply for accommodation. Here you can check find a scholarship, click on that. And you can check scholarships here. And this is the scholarship that we are today showing you. Simply after clicking on apply now, this application portal will appear. So you have to simply click now, apply now to study, click here and wait for page to load. Here you can check we have previously made our application. So let me show you this application. So you can check we have previously made a video, and simply this process is same. You have to simply submit the details, then contact details, then the education, then documents, and that these three steps are just to be submitted. So you can similarly click on the scholarships tab here and apply to other scholarships as well. You can check the Friday 15th October is the last date for this, and you can check few scholarships are mentioned here, so you can apply to them as well. So we have simply submitted. Let me simply upload the documents. After you submit the three steps, you have to go back and click here on the document upload and choose the documents. Let me submit that. After choosing the file, click on the upload. So our application has been successfully submitted. Here you can check withdraw. When you will submit your application, we have previously, actually the submission button is not showing today as we have previously submitted this application in previous video, but the process is same. Here you can view our previous scholarships. You can withdraw also scholarship. If you have pending documents, you can upload that. Similarly, like when you will be signing into this portal, you don't have any applications there, you have to simply click here create a new application. And then you have to select, like you are going for bachelor's, select the location, whether it be online or in campus. You can check session when you want to start and simply search for the scholarships. You can check the courses here, let's say nursing, so you can click here on the apply button. So you have to submit all these details. Select the preference first and then save and continue. Then you have to submit personal details like we have submitted. You can okay, yes, and then click continue. Then you can check the details as we have previously submitted, then click save and continue. You have to fill the education. Then for the nursing part, here you can check, you have to submit this and save and continue. After filling all these details, Now, due to current cap for nursing bachelors, you won't be able to accept application for international paying fee. Okay, so we have to just simply be admitted on the scholarship. Have you been convinced by say no? We haven't any criminal charges. I am not. These are not verified details. I'm just showing you how to submit that. Do not take it as permanent. No, we have no mental. So I have read. Have you lived in a country other than New Zealand? Say no. And then you have to submit your referee's address. Say professor. You have to mention the referee. Say you have to submit two professors and then save and continue. Additional information you have to submit which of the following you want, like credit transfer, none of the above. Say okay, then save and continue. After that, the next is documents. Let me okay, we have previously submitted few documents, so let's say save and continue. So at the end you can check declaration. I have read this, and then you can select here submit application button. After you complete all here, you can check your application has been submitted. Thanks for applying to study with us. So here you can check within 14 days your selection will be made. You will be getting an email. So after completing all this, you can also apply for the accommodation here. So similarly for other scholarships you can check. So you can click on the link and go to that website. So you can check the try semester dates are second semester dates. For try it's 30th November, and for try 1 it's September, for 1st September for try 3, and try semester 1 for 30th November. So you can check clearly details here if you have any doubts. So application process, you have to simply go scroll down and click on the apply online here and wait for page to load. So for particular scholarships you can check try semester 3 1st September, so it's today for this. And for here you can, there are two options for applying for first semester, so it's last date for today for try semester 3. So for try semester 1 you can apply here for November 30th. Click here and you can check 30th November is the last date. Simply you can check the documents required and description. Simply click on the apply button and you can check page has loaded. So simply we have not created any account, so we will create a new account. Click here create new. Till then let it be loading. So till then you can check the accommodation portal for the Waikato University that we earlier applied. So you can check accommodation. So you have to simply register, then follow the links and log in. After you submit, all successful applicants will be sent an offer via email. So after you get an email for acceptance, so then you have to click complete this process. So here you can check the accommodation at both campuses, Hamilton and Tangura. So you can click on any of them. Going back to the application process, here you can check we have to create an account. So let me create an account. Till the page for accommodation loads, we have to create this account. So let us, it will load automatically. So let's fill other details. So you can use email and password, then I am not a robot. Agree to the terms and click submit. As this loads, let's check the Hamilton accommodation. You can check the accommodation. So first you apply to the course, then you apply to the scholarship. Now you are going to apply to the accommodation. Click on this, apply here. As our page, your account has been created, go to login application. Okay, now we have created and simply log in. So after you log in, you can check November 1st deadline, and for other it's 20th September. Here you can check all the scholarships that you are eligible to will be shown in your account. So as we are going to apply for this, so simply click on this. So you can, here is the one benefit, you can add to cart, add to cart, add to cart. You can add 3 to 4 that you are eligible, 3 to 4 scholarships in your cart, then apply with the same process to all of the scholarships at a one time. Say yes and then submit. So you have pre-qualification questions. Now new search. Maybe I haven't read the question. Oh sorry, it is logged out, so simply log in back. Here you can check the accommodation portal has appeared. So you have to get the acceptance and then apply to the accommodation. If you are not followed our Instagram, please click the follow button. If you are not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please press the subscribe button. So here you can check apply. So simply then click on apply and apply to the scholarships that you are eligible to. You have to check according to your course. As my course isn't listed here, so I am not able to submit them. So you have to check like for PhD and similarly for other scholarships. So similarly, the third scholarship that you are seeing here is Lincoln University. So you have to simply click on the apply now, and you can check you have to submit your application in my link account. Click that. Now we haven't previously create account, so simply create account and fill the details, email, confirm email, password, citizenship, then next, and create an account, then log in and apply. Here you can check key dates. So February, you can check the current month is September, so you can check the details. Similarly, here you can check Canterbury Camcar Trust. Here you can read the details, and here you can check the apply button. Click on the apply. And choose your course: postgraduate, masters, bachelor's, undergraduate. Like I am choosing for masters, simply OK and search by eligibility. Then scholarship list will be shown. So after searching, you can check the scholarships has appeared, the list has appeared, so you can apply to the eligible scholarships. So here you can check October is the deadline, for this is the November, and here you can check November 1 is the deadline. So this was for Canterbury. Similarly, for Commonwealth Scholarship and Fellowship Plan, click here and you can check Commonwealth Scholarship and Fellowship Plan. eligibility criteria, and you can apply here directly. Similarly, the Helen Macmillan. Now this portal is same for all, and here you can check Helen Macmillan Brown Bursary. Here you can check Helen Macmillan, so you can read details and simply click here for the apply. So the portal for all the scholarship is same. So for this, for Helen Macmillan, for Commonwealth, and all scholarships mentioned here, the portal is same. You have to simply go. You can also search on this portal. Here on the top you can search, and you can apply to scholarships that you are eligible to. So I hope you have understood the process. It's almost very easy, and you should comment your difficulty if you are facing any, and you can message us also. So please follow us. If you are not followed us on Instagram, please click the follow button. You can get scholarship link from our bio or Instagram stories. You can also message us and ask your questions. Also, you can watch our previous videos. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up to this video, and please subscribe. Thank you for watching.